In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80248007 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to click on the Settings icon. Now from the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, do not forget to restart your Windows. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. The next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then we have to click on the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. Now I have commands in here. This will also be posted in the description box below. So copy the first command, which is the S of C scan. And then Control V. Hit Enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. Okay, so let's wait in a while so that we can run the next command after it. Now once done, we need to copy the second command, which is a DISM command. So Control C to copy and then Control V. And again, this will start the process. So you have to wait for the process to be done. It will take a time. It will take some time. Unlike the SFC scan that will just take for a few minutes, the DSM scan will take for like 50 minutes. So if you're getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, just patiently wait for that. And after all the process is done, then just simply type exit in the command prompt window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.